This is the week 4 lecture of business operations and management. In this section, we will cover these learning outcomes. We will cover how the key concepts of effective operation strategies, and we will discuss the main functional departments in an organization and the key concepts of effective operation strategy. These are the 4 learning outcomes that we will discuss in week 4 business operations and management lecture. And this is just a starting questions that usually have been asked in before starting a lecture. And what is business operations? As previous last week, we have also studied the business operations management definitions. So here is like, again, we can study operation is managing that part of the organization which is responsible for producing goods and services as like business. Operation is the management of systems or process that create goods or provide services. And after that, we have studied 5 types of operations, and also we have studied their examples and made a discussion in class about the business operations management. And this is one of the video that is available on your week 4 lecture. You can refer to this video. And what is operation strategy? Basically, operation strategy is a guideline principles like how to plan, analyze, and execute a company's operations. And always companies make a strategies and conduct their company's operations to achieve their missions. And how they will achieve their missions, we have discussed that to achieve the organizational missions, organization have to establish some of the objectives. And how the organization will achieve those objectives? By making some strategies, by like making some plans, some operational strategies to achieve those missions. And then businesses use operation strategies to identify and implement cost-effective process for creating and distributing product and services. And then an operation strategy supports a company's overall business strategies in order to maximize profit, as like businesses does. So all of the effort that businesses made to achieve their goals and objectives is by, is the purpose behind all of these activities is to generate maximum profits. This is one of the videos available on the slide as well about the introduction to operation strategy. And these are the examples of operation strategies. And then we have studied the types of operation strategies, core competency strategies, corporate, customer-driven, and competitive strategies. We have made a discussion in detail about these strategies in class. And core competency operations strategies include main strength of a company's business model, as I have discussed. By identifying the best core business process within an organization, core competency operation strategies focus on leveraging existing strength to maximize profitability of the organization by producing goods and services. This is the video on core competencies. It's available on the slides, and this is the corporate strategy. And we have this, and this is the also video available on it, and the competitive strategies, how an organization can compete with its competitors, how they can make a high quality product to lead the market. And this is the video on competitive strategies, and we have discussed the product or services strategies, in which we have discussed how a company can make their strategies to produce new goods and services in the market. And this is the video available on the product or services strategies. Then we have discussed the customer driven strategies, in which we have studied like customer driven strategies make operation decision based on the customer experience, and this type of operation strategies align with sales and marketing strategies to manage and fulfill customer expectations. So this is one of the simplest strategies that organization can utilize, like by keeping the track of which of the most their products are being liked by the customers. If the customers are liking the products, or if some of the customers are asking for them to make the quality better, or whatever the features they demand, so the company can analyze the demand for that product and can work on it. So that could be the customer driven strategies, like the demand can come from the customers. And this is one of the video on customer driven strategies, and this is the class activity for this week. And then we have studied the functions of business operations. Organizations have three functions like finance, operations, and marketing. And we have also discussed each of these operations in detail. What could be the finance, marketing, and operations functions of an organization? And this is the post-class activity. This is also available on Moodle if you go and check the week 4 slides for business operations and management. So this is all from the week 4 lecture. Thank you so much for listening.